fast, but shadows cast message on the wall. The city shook my mating call. No one left to dry your tears, no time left to hide your fears. Oh no, it seems I'm stuck inside a dream. And the chorus is actually a little slower. Oh no, it seems I'm stuck inside a dream. And as the world's slipping by, I stare into the seams. That speeds out. Past the time, it's getting really bad, but I'm not even slightly sad. So your brother, wife, and kids, you might not see them again. You might not see them again. Oh no, it seems I'm stuck inside a dream. And as the world is slipping by, stare into the sea in hopes I'll find an answer in the tides. We're so misguided and divided, no one wants to try. So is there any more love I can steal? Fell asleep while at the wheel. Solo. Oh no, it seems I'm stuck. Oh no, it seems I'm stuck inside a dream. And as the world is slipping by, stare into the seams in hopes I'll find an answer in the tides. We're so misguided and divided, no one wants to try. This song is called The Benefits of Citrus. Sky reflecting off your eyes, they follow my footsteps. You're in your good dress, your calls of distress were lost on my frequency. 'Cause I remember January, all those scars were temporary. Turn to skeleton to decay, will be gone by February. I am such a contradiction, paradox on exposition. All my demons on display, waking up in yesterday. Lounging in the sun, the drought has just begun. hurts, my hurts. Final song in this trio of 3 similar songs is this one in here. As the colors start to fade, luminescence leaves my day. Bed and walls get cold, I'm growing scared of growing old. But I'll stay strong when the wind comes and brings you along, brings you along. As the colors start to form, higher pressure makes it warm. Organisms multiply, I reach for the sky, but I'll stay strong